Hi everyone, welcome to Anas Academy. This is right place for you. You need some information about iPhone 14. So don't waste the time. Let's go to the video.
Apple today introduced iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus, featuring two sizes, 6.1 inches and 6.7 inches, in a sophisticated design with impressive camera upgrades and groundbreaking new safety capabilities. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus take stunning photos and video with a powerful camera system featuring new main and front true depth cameras, the ultra-wide camera for unique perspectives, and photonic engine, an enhanced image pipeline. Both models include the A15 Bionic chip with a 5-core GPU, which offers incredible performance and efficiency for demanding workloads, and is designed with privacy and security built in. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus introduce critical safety capabilities such as crash detection and emergency SOS via satellite, a first in the industry. And with amazing battery life, industry-leading durability features, and super-fast 5G, this iPhone lineup is more advanced than ever before. iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus will be available in midnight, blue, starlight, purple, and product red 1 finishes. Pre-orders begin Friday, September 9th, with availability for iPhone 14 beginning Friday, September 16th, and availability for iPhone 14 Plus beginning Friday, October 7th.
This is short video about iPhone 14. I hope like this. So bye bye.